What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So my dividends were pretty good. I really can't complain about my dividend income for August. I made some changes to my dividend portfolio. I'm actually made a change today, and I'll go over that tomorrow with you guys, with the dividend stock I sold on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and a new stock that I added to replace it. So we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. My dividend income is very solid right now. It's consistent and it's growing, and I really like the way things are going with the compound interest. Obviously, you know, I still have a lot of changes to make. As I said in my previous video with IIPR, it's a good headache to have, and I'm trying to figure out where I need to integrate these guys into my dividend portfolio. These guys are down, these guys are cheap, and this is a dividend stock that I can really capitalize on earning passive income. So I really have to think about this with these guys because, again, QYLD, XYLD, and RYLD are really paving the way. And there's just a few things that I need to tweak, and I really think my dividend income can jump a little bit higher because some of these dividend stocks I have in my M1 Finance and E-Trade dividend portfolio, I'm not too happy with because the growth isn't there. There was a dividend cut with some of them, and I just don't like the way things are going with some stocks. And I told you, you know, I always make changes. I explained to you my rationales as to why I make changes. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this dividend income out right now. Let's start with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, the Death Star. My current value is $34,355.45. Now the market's way down, so I did capitalize and buy Arbor Realty Trust today. I bought, I think, was it 10 shares? Then I bought Sachem Capital Group. I bought those guys too. And I'm thinking about actually making another buy today potentially. So the Death Star is looking pretty strong. Again, earned dividends, $3,292.83. That's what I've earned from these guys. So a lot of changes I made. Really, September is one of my months that I really need to focus on. And I did make some changes, and I explained that to you guys as why. And I do need to do a update on some of these dividend stocks, especially September, and why I bought them. So let's go over my activity real quick. So August 1st, it really kicked off pretty strong. So BGS, I earned $11.88 plus 37 cents, which gave me $12.25, and I wrote this down just to make sure because I added things up. UVV, I made $10.65. Verizon, I made $18.06. And one of you guys wanted me to do a review on Verizon versus AT&T. I'm just going to tell you, I've done numerous videos on AT&T. Verizon runs circles around them. Verizon has hiked their dividends. AT&T cut their dividends. Verizon is a lot stronger. AT&T will have to start hiking their dividend to really convince me that they're really worth it. So they're going through changes. We'll see what happens. Jeppy, it's $4.11 I made some buys, as you can tell, just loading up. Agree Realty Corporation, I made $1.76. Then going back down, EPD, remember I posted a video on these guys and why I'm buying them. I made 67 cents, so I'm starting to load up on these guys. MPLX, I made 17.63. MMP, 3.42. Pembina Pipeline, 3.39 minus 51 cents, which gave me 2.88. I'm looking over there. SLG Green Realty, 3.21. Kinder Morgan gave me 11.07. Omega Healthcare Investors gave me 28.64. Hercules Capital gave me 12.03. And then I made some changes. And then Diana Shipping, the shipping companies, they gave me some good income, which I wrote down at 2.88. British American Tobacco, I made 27.16. Then there's a little ADR fee. I'm going to probably add that at the end because I don't think I did that. I think I did add that at the end, but I'll just subtract 20 cents after that. 268 was Newsy. RYLD I made 12.12. XYLD I made 12.18. QYLD I made 12.43. Healthcare Realty Trust 115. I actually sold these guys. I'll explain to you guys why, but that's not the stock that I'm going to discuss that I sold. Devo I made 1203 and LTC Properties is 897. So my total I made was 207.98 minus those 20 cents. So 207.78 was my total. So that's pretty good for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And a lot of changes I'm going to make towards my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Again, this is just, preliminary. It's not perfected completely. But I'll just say with HR Realty Trust, I didn't like their dividend hikes. I just was turned off by them. I didn't like the growth. I could rebuy them eventually, but there's a lot of better healthcare places and REITs. So right now I'm just putting them on the back burner, selling them, and I sold them for other stocks, as you can tell. So I don't want to click this because I was going to show you what I did in my next video. So let's jump to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So I'm on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. My estimated income is $2,361.31. So a lot of people ask me, why do I have a fractional share dividend portfolio and why do I have a E-Trade dividend portfolio? I like to strategize things a little bit different with certain individual stocks like Realty Income and EPR Properties and a few other monthly dividend stocks and quarterly dividend stocks because things are starting to rack up. This is pretty exciting. I mean, look at this estimated income with these guys, and I crossed the $100 mark each month. So I'm just sitting on my butt, making money, earning passive income. That's just my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So real quick, Conagra Brands, right? I'll go over there. I just earned dividends from these guys today, which is nice. And I'm, of course, reinvesting the dividends. I will buy more eventually, but I did earn some dividends in Conagra Brands. And I'll go over that with you guys. And you see Scion. Remember, my goal is 200 to 400 shares in a lot of these dividend stocks. So, Scion's a good one. It's a high yield. It's a business development company. I like the way things are going. Make sure you check out my previous videos on these guys. You can just Google search Darth Dividend. YouTube search Darth Dividend. Just put in Scion if you have questions or concerns. And again, none of this is financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. So let me show you my estimated, not estimated income, but my dividend income for E-Trade. And I'm going to reflect on that and my total dividend income after this. Boy, the market did take a hit. So in the comment section, also let me know if you bought any dividend stocks and which ones are hot and underrated for a lot of us to check out. So make sure you put that in the comment section. So let's check out the dividend income. So right here, National Health Investors, I made $24.98. EPR Properties, I made $20.03. Main Street Capital, I made $20.72. Realty Income, I made $26.12. Stag Industrial, I made $7.06. HTBK Heritage Commerce Bancorp, $9.53. Arbor Realty Trust, I made $84.65, which I bought more dividends, and obviously I reinvested. And then Gladstone Investment Corp, I made $13.35. So my total was $248. So my total dividend income for E-Trade and M1 Finance was $408.26. So I am at that mark where I'm starting to be consistently, and I'm starting to earn consistent dividends at the $400 mark. And that's pretty exciting. So this is the money that I parked, put away in, and I'm going to start being extremely frugal starting next week. I'm not going to go out as much. I really enjoyed it with my semester being done. I start rotations, so I need to be on my best behavior. I mean, I don't party a lot, but I enjoyed myself. So a lot of you guys, some of you guys are on my real life Instagram portfolio, And, you know, I like to keep it low key, but a lot of you guys I'm extremely close to. I mean, you saw me go out and have a good time with a lot of friends and work friends. But now it's crunch time. Now's when the dividend income is going to start kicking in with my new travel position starting on September 14th. So that's going to be a big week. But I'm just very excited with the changes. You know, all these deals and opportunities are very exciting. So, yeah, it's just it's very exciting. And by the way, I'm only have 3 spots that with Fundrise. So, you know, make sure that if you're interested in Fundrise, I threw $10,000 in them, and I really like my returns. If you ever seen my post on Instagram or Twitter or even on my Facebook group, you saw my progress and how I like things and the way things are rolling with my Fundrise portfolio. So I only have 3 slots left. So you can earn up to 50 shares if you sign up using my affiliate link. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one. And I will post a video tomorrow regarding a dividend stock that I sold, a high yield dividend stock that appeared to be a yield trap and in the danger zone. And I sold them for another stock, and I'll go over that tomorrow. So you guys take care and have a great Thursday.